everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I will tell you on the approach of how to start with your SQL preparation. So number one is to cover the basics or to cover the theory of SQL. For that, if you have zero idea about SQL, you start with this free of cost site called W3 Schools, which I'm sure many of you might have heard about. So here you can find the complete list of all the SQL related basic commands, and it gives you with the online editor, so you can just try out all of your problems here. They have some already preloaded tables in their database, so you can query those tables, you can play around with data, apply joins, create views and things like that. So yeah, this is one of the approach. Another way is you can go with some kind of a course. So like here Code Academy is one of the site. You can go with some other sites as well, so it all depends on what kind of concept you're looking for. If you want, I can list few courses for you, free of cost as well as paid ones, so you can accordingly go through these courses, which is another way of going through a structured learning process. And after you're done with the basics, then you come on to the problem solving. Now in problem solving, again, when you come to database or when you come to SQL, there is not much available online, as if you compare it to the DSA problems or the other software engineering related topics. So there are three websites that I identified which I felt were like up to the mark and could be considered for your SQL interview preparation. So the first one is HackerRank. It has about 58 problems. Many of them are very basic, and the amount of test cases that they have are not many. Like, there are only one or two test cases and so many edge cases are missing. But if you want to just practice something and if you want to just get, a feel of how to solve an SQL problem, you can start from here, because about, I think, 40 out of the 60 problems are easy to solve and you will be able to solve them. So yeah, you can just get this done in a short amount of time. Another way is the Strata Scratch website, which is mainly focused on the data science based roles. So you can find here not just SQL, but also your data science related interview questions. And here you can find the complete list of questions with all the information. Here again, some of the questions are logged, so you have to buy the premium membership. But yeah, this is a good website. It has a good collection of different companies' questions. And the last but not the least is the lead code. This is again my favorite because the number of questions are like 200 plus, and it tells you like what is the frequency of the questions being asked. Again, if you take premium membership, you will get some access to the extra questions which are logged here. But don't worry, I will cover all of these questions. I will go through each and every question and I will solve these. So yeah, that would help you a lot. So again, out of all of these three websites, I will start with the lead code because this is the most famous and the one which has a really good list of questions. Again, I won't say that the lead code, the code compiler or their online judge is extremely efficient, but compared to the other sites, I still found it a bit better, and I've still found that their discussion forums and their solutions and everything is it's quite good. So you can start with lead code. So as part of my video series, I will start with these 200 questions. I will solve each and every question for you along with their alternate solutions and along with the complete explanation. And so yeah, we will first start with the easy questions. So if you don't want to watch the easy questions, you can skip them and you can directly move on to the medium and the hard ones based on how much time you have for your interviews or what is the level that you are currently undergoing. But I would still say it's a good practice to first start with the easy ones and move on from there. So yeah, that was a very basic introduction to how to prepare for SQL and how to get started. If you need any more information or if you want my comments or my views on any specific website or on any specific question, then do let me know in the comments, and see you the next time.